Okay, so let me quickly teach us how we can quickly style our table and add border to it. Okay, so let's check what we have before. So this is what, come on, load. So this is what we have for our table. It doesn't make enough sense this way, but we can make it more sensible now. So this opening tag of table is where you come to, and after the table you put space inside the opening tag. Don't make mistake. So let's add border, or yes, let's first add border. Anyone we can add first. So let's add border. So after you type border, then you come to this equal to and quotation mark. So whatever pixel you want to choose, so let's start from 1 pixel so that you can differentiate. Okay, this 1 pixel. Let's save and view. Okay, now we have this. Can you see the border? Now it's making more sense now. So we can add more border to it. You can make it thicker, like okay, let's check how 5 will look. Before I save it, let me quickly show you. Oh, it has already saved automatically. Okay, so this is 5 pixel. You see that the border is thicker compared to the previous one. So let's leave it at, let's say 2 or 3. Okay, that'll be fine. Then another thing you can add, so let me show you how the 3 will look. Come here to view it. So this is here. Then another thing we can, it's small, so we can make it bigger. So to make it bigger, let's add star. So star. There's something I want to teach you about size of everything. I know you want to let your website or whatever website you want to create for your clients, you want it to be viewable on every device. Like if someone is using it on phone, it should be user friendly. If someone is using it on PC, it should be user friendly. If someone is using it on tablet, it should be user friendly. So to do that, when you use present, it gives you more accurate results. So for instance, now this width now, I used 100%. I just changed it to, formerly it was 100 pixel that I put there. So if you put 100 pixel as we have used before, so it will be 100 pixel, whether it is showing on PC or on phone. And 100 pixel on PC will not make sense if this is how it looks on phone. So on PC it will be very small. So you can actually choose percentage. So the kind of percentage you want is to occupy on your screen. If you want it to occupy 80% of your screen, just choose your width 80%. What is it? So okay, your width 80%. Let's save it and view. So okay, so it's just going to occupy 80% of your screen size. So either it is on PC or whatever, so you're going to choose that percentage of the screen size. Okay, so that is about width. So now for the table too, we want to choose the size of our table. So size style now, so you can use 100%, 80%, or any percentage at all. So let me use 80% or 100. Let's try 100 first. 100, then you put percentage. So you're going to see our table now. What happened now? Okay, sorry. So on that side, so you put width. Width, then column. You get that now? So each column, then you save and you come here to view. Can you see it now? Beautiful. So it's 100%. So it's actually taking the size of our screen. So if you want it to occupy just 80 or 70%, you can also do that and leave it that way. So 70%. Okay, so let's save it and view it. So can you see now? So it depends on you. So when we even reach CF cells, we can style it further. You want it to have border collapse, you want it to have a kind of color. You can say thick, you can say thick black, you can say light black, you can choose anything, as in you can style it anyhow. That is the essence of CSS. CSS is for styling. All this that we have been doing, it's not actually making sense. It's not going to, you're not going to leave your website this way. But with CSS, you can style it and make it look very, very nice. Okay, what again do I want to explain? Okay, so that's that for now. See you in the next class. Thank you.